Hello and welcome back to part 2 of reviving the Briggs and the Stratton trike. In this video we'll be checking out if all that hard work paid off and if this engine runs really well. Hope you enjoy the video. Right, so hope you enjoyed part 1. Was longer than expected. Found some problems with this older Briggs engine. Was a bit of messing up of the timing, something's wrong there. Managed to figure that out. I think it might have been the tappets look slightly worn or something, I don't know. I think one of them was slightly smaller, so I flipped them around, and that really helped with the timing. So I think that's what contributed to it not running. And then the main thing was the shear keyway. So we'll fix it up, stuck the new carburetor on it, and I haven't tested it yet, but I hope it will run really well and fire right up. And yeah, so let's get outside, give it a test. I've added some fresh fuel, and hopefully it runs. Running sweet. Right, so that's fantastic. There it runs. Really great. I mean, that engine isn't really that hot. It's just warm after zooming around, so that's all great. Yeah, carb's all good. No leaks here, so that's all good. Yeah, works great. Really pleased with that. Hard work paid off. So very happy. Still quick, a few things to do. Just restore all here. Want to grease that so that works better, so I'll quickly do that. Right there. So if we spill, it doesn't go away on the fuel tank. It's already working so much better. Look, it snaps back now. Give it a few more wiggles. And look at that now. Brilliant. Whilst at it, just do a top notch job. I shall add some on this end of the cable too. Right, give it a good scrub. And then pull and that is feeling fantastic. Let the bolts and put it back together. That'll definitely help it a lot. I might just do that to the clutch cable also. Right guys, sorry that was a quick one today, but it's really good, runs great, really pleased, happy that all that hard work paid off. Yeah, like and subscribe for more content, and catch you next time.